Good morning class 6 students. Let us solve remaining questions of exercise 3.2. Question number 6. Everybody look at question number 6 of your math book. Express the following as sum of two odd primes. Okay. So the A part is 44. We need to express 44 as sum of two odd primes. Two prime numbers which are odd in nature. Okay, so 44 can be expressed as 3 plus 41. 3 is odd, 41 is odd, and their sum is equal to 44. Now next is 36. 36 can be written as 5 plus 31. Okay, so these are the two numbers which we have expressed as odd primes. Try to do remaining of question number 6 yourself. Next is question number 7. Question number 7 is give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Okay. From this question, the concept of twin prime numbers come into existence. Okay. Twin prime numbers or twin primes. What are twin primes? The twin primes are pair of numbers which have difference of 2. Pair of prime numbers having difference of 2 are known as twin prime numbers. Okay. So, solution of question number 7 is the 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are 3, 5. Both are prime numbers and their difference is 2 also. 5, 7. Okay. 11, 13. These are the 3 pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2, that's why they are also known as twin prime numbers. Okay. Next is question number 8. Before that, you pause the video to write the solution. Next is question number 8. Which of the following are primes? What is condition for being a prime number? Prime number has exactly 2 factors. So factor of 23 are 1, 23. Now next is 51. Let's check. The factors of 51 are 1, 51 is also divided by 3. Okay. And 17 and 51. So 51 has 4 factors. Okay. So it is prime. This is not prime number. 37. 37 has only 2 factors. 1, 37. So it is also prime. 26. 1, 2. Okay. 26 has 1, 2 and 13. And 26 as factors. So which of the following are primes? Prime number A and D. That is 23 and 37 are primes. Okay. Next is question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Okay. 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. For this you again see Eratosthenes Sieves's method. वहाँ पे continuously आपको 7 numbers दिखेंगे जहाँ पे encircle नहीं है because prime numbers are encircled. Okay. And composite numbers are left like that only. So 7 consecutive numbers, when you will see that Eratosthenes Sieves's स्टोक्स मेथड का जो टेबल दिया हुआ है, एवरीबॉडी लुक एट दैट. 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Okay, these are the 7 consecutive prime numbers less than 100. Everybody look at question number 10. What is question number 10? Express each of the following numbers as sum of 3 odd primes. Express each of the following numbers as sum of 3 odd primes. Express as sum of 3 odd primes. Okay. यहाँ पे you will express as 3 odd primes. A 21 is equal to, when we will express 21 as sum of 3 odd primes, it will be equal to 3 plus 5 plus 13. Okay. B is 31. Okay. Sum of 3 odd primes, 3 plus 5 plus 23. Okay. Try to do remaining of question number 10 yourself. Okay. Now next is question number 11. Pause the video to write the solution. Next is question number 11. Question number 11 is write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Hint has been given. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. You need to write 5 pair of prime numbers such that their sum is divisible by 5. Okay. So let's write the solution. 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 such that their sum is divisible by 5 are, first is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, first. Second, 2 plus 13 is equal to 5, third. 3 plus 17 is equal to 20, fourth. 7 plus 13 is also is equal to 20, and fifth will be 11 plus 19 will be equal to 30. Sum of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5 are, here it should be equal to 15. Okay. 2 plus 3 5, 13 plus 2 15, 3 plus 17 20, 7 plus 3 13 is also 20, and next is 11 plus 19. Okay. Till here you will do these questions on copy. Now next is question number 12, which is fill in the blanks. No need to do it on copy, but yet I am given you solution of that. So everybody look at question number 12 of maths book and take your pencils and start writing in the book only. No need to do this question fill in the blanks in copy. A number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. Okay. Number having 2 factors is known as prime number. Next, a number which has more than 2 factors is known as a composite number. This is A. B will be composite number. Understand? Next, one is neither prime nor composite. I have told you why 1 is neither prime nor composite, because it has only one factor. Smallest prime number is 2. D. 2 is the smallest prime number. E. The smallest composite number is 4. F. The smallest even number is also 2. Okay. Do question number 12 on book only. Pause the video to write the solution. Thank you everybody. Complete your work.